Are you looking for a well-crafted and durable angle grinder to add to your toolbox? Are you finding it hard to identify the best angle grinder that would allow you to do the required job easily and actually prove to be a worthy investment? We understand that an angle grinder is a fundamental part of your toolbox, regardless of whether you are attempting to slice through metal or stonework, expel rust and burrs, or just trying to tidy up the metalwork. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita Paddle Switch Angle Grinder. Makita 9557 PBX1 is one of the safest and most budget-friendly picks for those looking to buy a durable angle grinder in the market. In fact, Makita 9557 PBX1 is by far unbeatable in the department of durability. It has a 4.5-inch diameter and weighs around 4.5 pounds. Its lightweight, adequate power, skillful safety features, and easy-to-use design make it the perfect choice for both seasoned professionals and beginners alike. It contains a 7.5-amp processor capable of delivering approximately 11,000 rotations per minute. This grinder also sports a toggle lock-on and lock-off feature that allows its users to carry a continuous operation without much hassle. Its large paddle switch is disliked by some customers, however, the same is a thoughtful design choice that helps in reducing the jerk during possible grinder kickbacks and thus puts less pressure on the worker's arm and wrist. The 9557 PBX1 model by Makita is comparably more durable and long-lasting than any other tool available in the same price range. All things considered, the Makita 9557 PBX1 is widely liked for its enhanced shelf life and design features, such as the armature-protecting labyrinth seal and varnish that help in automatic removal of dust and debris. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Angle Grinder Tool. The BLACK+DECKER Angle Grinder Tool offers a sleek, versatile design built for durability. The tool displays a diameter of 4.5 inches and is very lightweighted to handle. Its motor contains a 6.5-amp processor with the power of delivering up to 10,000 rotations per minute. This tool is most likely to be appreciated by the users for its convenient features that promise an enhanced lifespan and better durability. There is a handy switch on /off button on the machine that allows the users to handle the operations much easier. The BLACK+DECKER Angle Grinder is equipped with an additional spindle lock for convenient accessory switching. This handy feature allows uninterrupted completion of tasks at hand without interfering with the performance. Whether you are looking to do heavy-duty work or screw out rusty stubborn nuts and bolts, this tool delivers just the adequate torque required. All in all, this tool is built to handle tough tasks and could be the best pick for those looking to cater to sharpen mower blades or DIY projects. Number 3. Dewalt Angle Grinder Tool. The Dewalt DWE402 Angle Grinder is an incredibly powerful tool with an 11-amp processor that allows you to do high volumes of work with precision. The tool is built in a way that can be used in very small spaces as well. If you are looking for a tool that can squeeze into tight spots, Dewalt DWE402 might be a good pick. It includes an impressive dust ejection system that improves its durability by removing the dust and debris. It is equipped with additional benefits like a paddle switch with safety lock-off, a quick-change trademark symbol wheel release system for tool-free removal of the wheel, and a one-touch guard that allows 360-degree rotation with one single action. You also get a portable hard case that makes it easier and safe to carry around or transport. It also has an auto-off feature that shuts the device down when the brushes need replacing, avoiding needless damage to the tool. Its heavy processor might be a little too much for the beginners to handle. On the off chance, if you are not very knowledgeable with regards to handling the processors, there is a high probability that you might overgrind the workpiece at hand. The Dewalt DWE402 is a good pick for experts looking to do precision work. It comes with adequate safety features that provide outright protection against any sparks or debris flying off from the tool while you work. Number 4. Makita 18V Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. The XAG04Z is another amazing addition to the list of best angle grinders in the market that are affordable and yet provide the high-end feel and features that users want. The Makita XAG04Z is a brushless, cordless version that operates on lithium battery and is capable of 8,500 RPM per operation. This tool is built with a compact design and an automatic speed changing technology that adjusts the torque and speed as per the requirement at hand. It weighs around 5 pounds and has a diameter of 4.5 inches, which, in addition to it being cordless, makes it fairly convenient to handle. This Makita model also includes the Smart Aft, active feedback sensing technology, which helps in improving its life and durability. The aft technology automatically turns the motor off in case the tool hits any damaging territory that forces the wheel's rotation to stop abruptly. The only disadvantage that the users might have to deal with using this tool is that they may have to replace the batteries often, as the tool requires high power and the batteries seem to drain out quickly. The tool has an overall comfortable design with a rubberized soft grip, and owing to its Smart Aft technology, it can withstand the most extreme tasks. Number 5. Milwaukee 2780-20 M18 Fuel for -1/2/5 pad. The Milwaukee 2780-20 is another addition to the line of competitive, budget-friendly, and high-end angle grinders with brushless motor. This tool is capable of handling any and every job ranging from stone cutting to metal, tile, and / concrete cutting. Milwaukee has added some exclusive features to this tool, such as the PowerState trademark symbol brushless motor and toolless adjustment. These features have proven to improve the performance and durability of the tool by lessening the wear over time. The Milwaukee 2780-20 M18, while fares well performance-wise, some users might find it difficult to handle for extended use. This tool is a bit on the heavier side, weighing almost 5.8 pounds. Additionally, the awkward fixguard and switch positions might not be liked by some users. Overall, the Milwaukee 2780-20 M18 is a good pick if weight is not that big issue for you to handle or you don't mind taking frequent breaks to give your hand a rest. The battery life is pretty good and the tool proffers an acceptable quality. Number 6. Dewalt 20V Lithium-Ion for -1/2 angle grinder. The Dewalt DCG412B is a 4.5-inch angle grinder known for its high power and reliable grinding and cutting applications. It weighs at 5.1 pounds and its motor provides 8,000 rotations per minute per operation. The DCG412B model by Dewalt is a fantastic tool with a quick change wheel release that allows users to make tool-free wheel changes without much effort. It also contains a 2-finger trigger switch and a 2-position side handle for better flexibility and ease of use. The 2-finger trigger switch has a lock-off button that allows you to pause and resume the operations as per requirement, without having to use the main switch over and over. Similarly, the 2-position side handle boosts greater versatility, comfort, and control. The main disadvantage of this model is its heavy weight that makes it difficult to handle for extended use. The tool might also get hot if used for longer tasks. Considering everything, the Dewalt DCG412B is a good investment for its price range. The only thing you have to keep in mind is to not use it for long periods. Other than that, it offers good battery life coupled with appreciable power and control. Number 7. Avid Power Angle Grinder. The Avid Power Angle Grinder is one of the best tools for those looking for an affordable angle grinder to handle small tasks. The tool provides an easy grip with a 4.5-inch diameter along with a comfortable design that provides protection against any splinters and / sparks. Its small size grip reduces fatigue, making it a handy tool in terms of design. It includes an integrated spindle lock that allows easier and faster abrasive replacement of the wheel. Its handle is covered with rubber that further improves its versatility, control, and comfort. The protective cover also protects the users against any metal chips and sparks falling out during work. This tool has a 7.5 amp processor capable of 11,000 rotations per minute. So, the tool is fairly quick, but it tends to overheat if used for longer tasks. The motor might get overstressed and shut down if overworked. The outer body might also become too hot to hold at times. Considering everything from design to price to practicality, the Avid Power Angle Grinder is a good tool to handle small tasks. However, if you are looking to do more intense and heavy work, you may want to consider other options.